Oh God, what the? Oh, great. Let's see what I can do. Oh, sweet. That'll do. What's in this pocket? Anything. Hopefully it will be the cartridge with ammo. And it is no ammo. What am I gonna do? Something here to fight with a pillow. Josh's bat! Alright, I can do some damage with this. Alright, so I gotta get out of the apartment. Yes! Alright. We got a shotgun, 2 rounds. Oh, fucking yes! Oh. Whoa. Alright. See what I can do. Alright, let's give this a go. Ugh. Well, I guess heroes gotta eat too. Milk. How do I love milk? Alright, well. We can't do the vlog this week, man.
What do you mean, man? What are you doing?
We just can't do the vlog this week.
What are you talking about?
We can't do it.
Where are you going?
We can't do it.
What are you talking about?
We can't do it.
What? I guess we're not doing it this week. I guess we'll catch you next week. Peace.